Let's practice English together with this vlog. And today I'm gonna go to college and spend the day there talking in English, describing everything I see, because I'm English learner, and I hope you're also gonna learn new vocabulary, new phrases, because I'm gonna be talking to my friends and describing everything I see around in English. Right. Good morning, good morning. It is currently 9:32 a.m. and we just woke up at my dormitory room with my friends, talking a little bit about my morning routine. I woke up around like half an hour ago. It was maybe like 9 a.m. I took a shower, I washed my hair a little bit. I shaved by this razor. Oh my god, it's a razor. I shaved like this. And now we just getting breakfast, like we cooking breakfast to my friends. He's in the kitchen there, and we need to get dressed and go to college. Yeah, like this. We have like 20 minutes to be prepared. And by the way, let's take a look a little bit at my update in the room, because I got something new to show you guys. First thing first. Okay. Let's start with this. Look at this. I got a ball for American football. Look at this. Because as you might know, recently it was like a Super Bowl, American football. The main event, the main game of the season. And I got inspired. I don't know, I watched it. It was crazy and super cool, especially the performance of Bad Bunny in the halftime. This halftime show was crazy. And I decided that I want to buy this kind of ball because look, okay, it's we need to inflate to make it full of air in order to play and to throw it. But that's my first American football. Bad Bunny. Like, I don't understand no words at all, but it's vibing so much, like. And especially in a Super Bowl halftime show, that was incredible. Also, take a look, bro. I got 2 new posters. By the way, I wanna turn on this lamp. By the way, let's turn it on. We're gonna plug it in. It's plugged in. Now we got blue light in the corner. I got 2 new posters with Billie Eilish, dedicated to great, I don't know, musician and singer, just beautiful woman, I don't know. And Nike, Travis Scott, who said Rangers were not meant to fly. That's the quote. And the last, and I guess that's the coolest thing I got ever, like in this season. Look at that. That's Brazil, bro. We got Brazilian t-shirts. And I suppose maybe I should put it on today to go to college wearing Brazilian t-shirts, because you all know that right now we got Carnival in Brazil. That's the time. I didn't know actually that, because I only saw this on like Instagram reels. Parties on the street, parties all day, all night. And as long as, I don't know, since I got many Latin friends right here in Russia, we just talking and partying, I don't know. I decided to get Brazilian uniform, Brazilian t-shirt. I don't know, feel like part of Brazilian culture a little bit. So today I'm gonna be wearing Brazilian t-shirts at college. And right now I'm gonna have breakfast. I wanna get some milk. I have a little bit of milk in the bottom of this bottle. Also, I'm gonna eat some kind of sweet chocolate sticks, I don't know, and these honey stars and bubbles, kind of cereal. Yeah, this kind of breakfast. Does it look better? I guess it does. So yeah, hope you also have a great morning, and let's spend this day together, because today we're gonna be walking around Moscow. Today we're gonna be having classes, like 2 labs in university, and just enjoying this life. We went outside finally, and it's so beautiful in there. Look at this amount of snow, just huge snow drifts. Like a pile of snow. That's insane, bro. And totally clear sky and skyscrapers. Our classic skyscrapers. Delivery. We got pink box, pink backpack. Look at that sun. We got a little traffic jam. And today I'm not even wearing my backpack. I'm without backpack, just I'm walking because today we got only 2 labs and I don't need no papers, no pen, nothing. It's just the beginning of semester. It's a new season. It's gonna be a new season of vlogs, college vlogs, walking vlogs, shopping, I don't know, football, everything. And I'm super excited because it's been a while. It's been a winter break with the awful weather. It was minus 20 maybe, and I didn't want to film vlogs outside. Like, that was really complicated to be surviving here. But right now, we're back, bro. I think we're back, even though it is still kinda winter. It's February, but the spring is coming, bro. And apparently, during the spring, during the summer, we're gonna just, oh my god, I need to cross the street. And huge traffic jam because people just going to work in the morning. And we're walking to university. We're walking to subway, first of all. I'm doing vocabulary in the flashcards like this every day, bro. That's the best way to learn vocabulary. And look at that, someone is just reading a book, someone is chilling there on the floor. My boys are talking. We are group mates, 3 of us. Okay, we got out of the train. And now we're heading towards our campus building. This is the building where we're gonna have classes today. And we're in a hurry because we already been late, like in 5 minutes, and we don't know with this teacher. So we don't know that professor, and we've been late, which is maybe technically bad, but we don't care much. All right, now we're going to the closet to kind of changing room to leave our clothing there, our down jackets. It's called a cloak room. This is a cloak room. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this now. Brazil. Press the button. And now we are waiting for the elevator to come. This kind of screen, and we have a presentation right here, and the professor is sitting on that desk. Yeah, we got 2 windows in the ceiling to see a little bit of sky while sitting here. That's the result of the first half. Just sleep. Now we have a short break during the class, and we decided to go to the dining room to get maybe a snack, to eat something real quick, just to wake ourselves up, because you fell asleep. I didn't, because I'm sitting right in front of our teacher and I'm not allowed to sleep there. Chemistry, periodic table of Mendeleev. Look at that. Here we got detergents and a map. So beautiful outside. It's dripping. You see, the water is dripping because the snow is melting and the ice is melting as well. You look good. Like, yeah, it's a good sweater. Damn, bro.
This belt.
Belts?
It's real excellent.
That's a nice belt. Brown belt. Leather.
Нажми на руку мою.
Wow. That's perfect face.
Что там было?
Красота. Vending machine. but I'm not gonna buy anything there. We're gonna get something right there. I don't know, maybe a sandwich, like variety of foods. Russian food, look at that. We got rice, vegetables, potato. We got meat, we got bakery. And that's the price in rubles, not dollars. You wanna drink something?
Очень пить хочу.
Green tea and a coffee machine. By the way, you know, that's called a straw. I guess so. That's a straw. The straw to drink. And a small pack of tea, pack of coffee, a gum, and candy bars. This is the name of our university. Need to misses in Russian. Let's go. Why he's running? Because we're late, probably. Look, Vita, look. I suggest you right now to escape, just to run away from university and go to walk in the park.
It's a really good.
Are you ready? Yeah? No? We're going back to the classroom. Unfortunately, bro. Oh my god, okay. 1, 2, 3.
HK1L1 и H2K2L2. Какая будет ось зоны? Ось зоны рисуется.
We finally finished classes, and now it's time just to chill, just to go maybe where to the library, first thing first, to meet other people, and then go get some pizza and lunch. It's narrow.
No.
Damn, bro. There's the main building. It's so beautiful. We're passing through with these gates. Yo, we got huge piano, huh? What is that? We got t-shirts? Of what? What is that? We got some kind of exhibitions or something like. We got huge library and books and shelves. In general, it looks amazing. Big screen with advertisement, and my friends went somewhere inside this library. I wanna catch them up. Здорово. That's the library. We're gonna be quiet, going upstairs. We're gonna get inside the private room right now. Currently, we in private room. Wow, that's amazing, bro. We got many stuff, like, I don't know. Language.
Hello, viewers of Andrew's Language Live. This is Steklashka. This is where university. This is where university activist lives. Look,
What we got here?
look, we have a chainik.
Tea,
Yes, there is tea. There is so many cups. You can look.
teacups.
Yes, this is great cup.
That's cool. Yeah. We got kettle. Chainik is a kettle.
Chainik is kind of broken.
Kettle and prints. I don't know what we're gonna print. Headphones.
Yes.
We got
Смотри,
headphones.
you
We got
green tea. You got another green tea.
we got pulpy.
Blue air, the oranges.
Oh, that's cool. Huh? What is that? I wanna show them the storage of our cups.
Look,
That's so dark. Huh?
Andrea,
Where?
смотри. There is a beautiful picture, да? There is a beautiful picture of samovar.
Show them. What is that?
This
This
is
one?
samovar, yes.
Oh. Немало. Сейчас рекламу сделаем. Немалый. Вашу ссылку поставить в комментариях.
Смотрите. Это шоколадный Дед Мороз.
Chocolate.
Chocolate Santa
Chocolate
Claus.
Santa Claus.
No, no.
Дед Мороз.
Dead Moroz.
Дед, типа мертвый Мороз. Мертвый Мороз.
This is for you, Valentin.
Ты уже мои рассмотрела?
That's for Valentine's Day, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
Saint Valentine's Day.
For
What you
Alexander
got?
Kornev.
Cutes. Hello Kitty. Yeah, that's the workspace. For studying, for chilling, for working. Carpets. Russian carpets. Russian design. I got this kind of carpets in my grandma's house, by the way. I do look like a Mexican and Brazilian. Look. I got Brazil and Mexico at the same time.
Alexander
Headphones,
Okay.
That's fantastic. We have a drawings of octopus with the tentacles, and just the lizards. TV, hanger, coat rack to put up your jacket. We got a coffee machine. That's cool. Погнали.
Ну это активисты все.
Check our library. Right there we got a store. Like our university's clothing. We can buy what? All closed? Oh yeah, it's closed. Alright, cool. I don't know what's inside. And students are studying, working, chilling. Yeah, that's our shop.
Не вижу новую одежду.
But it's closed right now. We can't go inside.
Пойдемте кушать.
Coffee cup.
Красивая. Перчатки. Нифига.
Mitten. It's called a mitten. Mitten. Downtown Moscow. Skyscrapers right there.
Как это развито?
Oh, and going through the snow. Not to sleep important. And yeah, that's our dining room. That's our pizza spot. I'm gonna get pizza. I wanna get cheese pizza. And, okay, I'm gonna pay right now. I got a gift, small chocolate bar. So I'm waiting for you guys. Where we're gonna have a seat? I wanna take something with the sofa, like with a chair, or maybe with the chair. We got microwave, cause oh my god, because I'm gonna microwave my pizza right now. It's beautiful. Look outside. Here's the menu with the different type of drinks and food. Where you wanna have a seat, bro? Where you wanna sit? Artificial grass. Enjoy your meal, guys. Enjoy your meal. When we start eating, we can say enjoy your meal. Okay, bro, it was the great day anyways. It was the great practice. I hope you learned something new, whether it's college related, whether it's English learning, new phrases related, because that was awesome. And that's the first video in 2026 about college. Yeah, we're gonna have many of these, just many. All spring, all summer, we're gonna be filming this, just chilling. Okay, I'll see you though soon. Thank you guys, love you, bye-bye, peace.
Went from MIA to LA on the run like I don't got in the state.